Okay. Everybody hear me all right?
Okay.
Yes? Good?
Yes.
All right. So let's make sure we have everybody. I've got Shi-Hai and
Kokai.
Ko-Kai. I tried very hard. And then Wei-Chun, Wei-Chun, Chin, and Wei-Ching. Okay. And, oh, okay, so
春娇
Chung,
春娇
Chung Chao,
春娇
Chun Chao.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, good.
All right. Well, my name's Brant. Welcome to All right. Welcome to Blue Hawaiian Helicopters on this July 21st, 2016. Everybody get the safety briefing?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Well, I'm going to turn the microphones off for a few minutes while I talk to the tower. I'll let you know when I turn it back on. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Well, I'll turn the microphones back on. Everybody enjoying their stay in paradise?
Yes, okay.
Very good, very good. Is this anyone's first time on a helicopter?
Yes.
Okay.
Everyone.
Everyone? Well, not everyone. It's not my first time.
5 of us.
Okay. I've flown many times before. I'm retired Army, been flying helicopters for 35 years.
Wow.
So. Well, we just passed the macadamia nut fields. We're on our way to the Kilauea volcano. That's the most active volcano. Been erupting since 1983.
It's cloudy today. It's cloudy.
Yes. This is very normal for here. We get, let's see, we get about 4 meters of rain every year.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is actually a very nice day.
It's a nice day?
This is a nice day, yes. Well, the Big Island is made up of 5 volcanoes. 3 are active. The other 2 are Hualalai, that's on the Kona side. Last eruption was 1801. And then the Mauna Loa volcano. That's the largest volcano. We're on the slopes of the Mauna Loa right now. Last eruption there was 1984. It likes to erupt every 27 years, but I think it's a little overdue.
你会怕哦？
Passing over Paradise Park. The small town ahead of us, that's the town of Pahoa. Last year we had a real nice looking lava flow come down the hill, and it would stop just like feet before it would have destroyed the town. Madame Pele, she is our goddess of the volcano. She was very nice that day. You can see the flows there ahead of us. See those dark black areas? That's the old lava flow. It's cold now.
It's lava flow.
This is cold, yeah, so old flow.
这些都是 lava flow。
姐姐听得到我吗？
听得到。妈嘞？妈咪怎么没出声？妈妈在拍照。
爸爸，我很认真在拍。
爸爸嘞？
妈皱着眉头叫我不要再拍了，不要再拍了。
拉马克是火山岩吗？或是喷发的岩浆？
流出来的，下面都草地啊，然后这样流出来，全部都死掉了。
没有办法，没有办法。
Okay. Everybody hear me all right?
OK。
Yes? Good?
Yes.
All right. So let's make sure we have everybody. I've got Shi Hai and
Ko Kai。
Ko Kai. I tried very hard. And then Wei Chun,
微去，
Wei Chun Chin, and
微去，
Wei Qing. Okay. And oh, okay. So
真教，
Chung
春
Chung
教，
Chung Chao.
春教。